Hello, this is Kimberly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Ascension community in Summerlin South. Last video, I showed the smallest home in Ascension community. Today, I will be showing the largest home in Ascension community. This model home is built by Toll Brothers in Crestline community. Ascension is a 261-acre community developed exclusive by Pote Homes and Toll Brothers with 561 home sites. There are over 100 home sites in Crestline community. Red dots are already sold and green dots are currently available home sites. We will be touring one of the model homes, which is indicated as blue dot. I just cannot wait to show you this grand home. Let's get started. This is the grand entrance. Here's an optional wet bar, but forget about the wet bar because look at this massive staircase. Beautiful. 22 foot and 8 inches to be exact, high ceiling. Storefront glass. There is an option to close off the space, but why would you? Top of the line chef's kitchen appliances. This is my favorite spot of the home. But don't miss this. Here's what's hidden behind the kitchen. Yes, the prep kitchen. Suncrest is the only model that has this option. Bedroom on main level, you can use it as a guest bedroom, but you're gonna see all the bedrooms comes with ensuite bathroom. Primary bedroom suite with optional fireplace. It is personal preference. I think the bedroom is a bit smaller than I expected, but look at this. We call this a private retreat room. It is showing storefront glass option, which is an option that I would definitely add for this home. Wow, look at this massive shower and bath combo. Nicely done. The queen-size bed still have a good amount of space. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with the ensuite bathroom. This is the girl's favorite room. It even has a matching tile in the bathroom. I love this backyard with a pool, but remember the backyard design is not included in the sale. It comes as a dirt and you have a flexibility of designing your own backyard. So what is the price? The base price starts at $2 million. With this high-end finishes and luxury designs and options, the Suncrest model has been the most popular model, and this is for sure my favorite one so far. I hope you enjoyed the tour with me. Please like and subscribe for more home tour.